The road ahead, it twists and turns, and the sun beats down and it burns. But I keep on pushing through. And every step quicker than the last, my feet tread down this beaten path. And
make it peek. Come on. Domestic. Peek. Good boy. Come on. Yeah. Chip is my 50th birthday present.
Oh yeah?
This guy, yeah. I've had 4 other Yorkies in my life.
Yeah. I like it.
love lifts me back to solid ground. Yeah, I get up.
Farm life. No 3-phase in here. Time to make the donuts. Come, I'll show you my other project. Through the Batcave. This is what we call the Batcave.
Far in this to raise my flag and call it quits. So I keep on pushing through.
This has been a 15-year project in the making. I could only afford to start building a year ago, but it's something I've been wanting to do. It's the whole reason I bought this 40 acres in the house, was to build a barn on it to be my ultimate workshop. I started building these doors a couple of months ago. I haven't finished doing all the sealing and retrofitting all the stops and locks and everything. $40 by 72, 36 feet to the peak. We will put a second floor in when I win lottery. But it was nice in here. When this first became enclosed to the point where I'm like, I could do my first project in here, the first project I started was my canoe build. I want to see how cured the epoxy is in the cup, because if I know that's hard, then my joints are hard.
Cause I get up and I may fall right back down.
This canoe is a gift from Nick Offerman. Well, I say gift because he gave it to me 8 years after he promised it to me, and so by the time I got it, I completely forgot about it, so I felt like it was a gift. But we did a video together for the Bear Mountain Boats Canoe Company. He built the canoe and I videotaped his how-to process, and part of the payment from them was that he got to keep one canoe that he built, and he built a second canoe and he gave it to me. Spike, come here. Come tell the story. Spike, come here. Spike is my old cat. He's about 15 years old, 16 years old. He's always whining. The special thing about this canoe is that when Nick finished up Parks and Rec, it was just about the time he was finished building this canoe. And so he wanted to take it out on the water, and he took it out in that last final scene. It's called the Lucky Boy, named after my boy, Lucky, my Yorkie, who passed away 2 years ago. And so while we were building the canoe, the first couple of canoes, Lucky would come to the build with me 10 years ago, and he was a little boy at the time. And he would come to the build with me and run around. So if you see the DVD, you see Lucky running around Nick's feet a couple times in the DVD. And so this is named after Lucky, my Yorkie. And Nick used it in the final scene of Parks and Rec when they were finishing the final episode. He took it out on the lake, and that was what that poster showed. I'm just comparing all my moves to his moves, and this is a much more dainty canoe. It's a little bit lower. This is a Redbird. Has more of a recurve on the ends. I have the 15-foot Ranger, and the one that Nick built, which is called Huckleberry, is the Prospector. So this is the Redbird. I built the Ranger, and he also built the Prospector. Those are the various model names of each canoe. And only a seasoned professional canoe builder would know that. I'm slowly earning my stripes.